and welcome back to The Last Pigment. In case you have not run across this channel before, my name is Andalee and I am a designer and illustrator based out of California. In this video, I'm going to update you because I haven't been on here in like, let's face it, months. And since then I've been exploring a lot of mixed media and taking them on Art Institute course, which has been a lot of fun. I've been playing around with some palette knives and spray paint and stencils and just creating whatever my heart desires, because I think in the truest sense of being an artist, that is how you find yourself, by truly just pursuing what you love to create, and that's where your unique self comes out. But I'm getting really experimental with it and just enjoying the process. I did a quick run to the art supply warehouse in Westminster. It's the best art supply that we have in Orange County other than Plix, and I highly recommend it. If you're in the area, check it out. We have pretty much everything in that store that you could possibly want. And I love the art bags. The art bag mystery bag is such an awesome promotional item that the store has. It's basically $25 worth of merch, and it's all a surprise. When you open it, it's just totally random stuff. I highly recommend it if you want to challenge yourself. I've been on a mixed media kick lately. My camera also died, so I'm going to include a still shot here so you can see what came in the bag. So in this next section of the video, I'm going to show you the light show that we went to. It was really fun and unexpected. I purchased the tickets online and had no idea what it was going to be like. In fact, we drove all the way to LA, and I was in my second trimester of being pregnant, and it was freezing cold, but it ended up being really fun. that I am in a different space from the beginning of the video, and that is because it's been some months since I started recording this video. There's a lot of content at the light show that really inspired me to come back and just explore mixed media. So I've been kind of experimenting with tissue paper and spray paint and stencils and ink and like incorporating pattern into larger paintings.